Today, we'll be showing you how to properly set up gain staging across the Deity Theos system. For those that don't know, gain staging is the process of making sure your audio is set to the optimum level for each part of your audio signal path in order to prevent additional noise and distortion. The signal path in this case being transmitter, receiver, and then a camera or mixer. First, plug a lavalier into the DBTX, set its input gain to 15 decibels, and speak a few words into the mic. Depending on your levels, increase or decrease the input gain so the peaks land around -12 dB on the VU meter. On the D2RX, set the output type to either RX1 or RX1 plus RX2. Use RX1 if you're using a TRS to XLR cable to go into a recorder. Use RX1 plus RX2 if you're using a TRS to TRS cable to go into a DSLR or mirrorless camera. This will allow you to put both channels on the same output. Now we need to set the RX output gain. If you are going into an XLR input, make sure your RX output gain is set to 0. This will create a line level signal. If you are going into a 3.5mm input on a DSLR or mirrorless camera, set the output gain to -20 dB. This will create a lower signal that's appropriate for a mic level input. Now go into the menu of your device and select the setting that matches your signal, either mic or line. If you are using an XLR going into a line input, you will want to add 4 to 10 decibels of gain. This varies, but your goal is for your waveforms to peak at -12 decibels on your recorder or camera's VU meters. If you are going into a 3.5mm jack on your camera, you will need to adjust your gain so that the VU meter is hitting -12 dB. How this is achieved will vary greatly between camera brands, so be sure to consult your camera's menu. With that, you're ready to start recording. Happy shooting.